Guys, miss me? Well, it's my first time going here, and it's already going to be night, and I'm so stunk it. I actually need some things, but I need meat. Okay, let's do this. Give me some meat. Give me some meat. Give me some meat. Meat. Okay, I have some plenty of food, plenty of that. It's nice. So let's go. Oh my god, it was my first night and I already have some. I'm so scared. Can I? No! Okay, so guys, I have a challenge for myself that I want to go play a game for the whole game. Oh my god. Bye bye. Ayoko na mag-English, wala kayo dyan. So, eto na nga. Takot. Wait. Ano ba yun? Meron ngayon, today's video is I'm going to play Minecraft for the whole game we're doing. So it's my very first Minecraft. So if anything allow me now, I have good grade. That means I'm going to have Minecraft for a whole day. Wait, do I need some coal for this? Do I need some coal for this thing? Oh yeah, because I don't know how to make a furnace because it's my uh, first, very first Minecraft seasoning. So let's get this. Oh my god, I did it! Okay, now I just need coal. Different mines, but I don't have. Oh, I need. Okay, let's go for paper. Because, why not? Yes! Yes! Okay, so we're back in the game because I lost the. Give me this. I see a Enderman. I saw a freaking Enderman. Oh my god. Please don't teleport from. Did you saw the. Oh, let's just go outside. Oh, oh! What does he have? Wait, can I craft? Okay. There are a lot of things. Oh my god, not these! No! Please. Okay, so. You guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought I liked this. God, this is so darn embarrassing. Embarrassing! So darn embarrassing. So embarrassing. There. Now I have a stone sword. Yeah, hell. Heck yes. Oh wait. Did he turn into Nora? Oh my god, there's a creeper. Oh my god, it's a zombie! Get away! Get away! So I think we're. Oh! No! 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 Malo! Maganda. Let's avoid the monster. Uy, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry right now. I need to eat one of. Uh oh. They're all raw. I'm gonna get food. I need food. My god. Okay, still. Oh, you think you're so cool? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Look back. There are a lot of freaking zombies. Oh heck no. Nor. Village, 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 village. Oh my god, I need to go to village right now. I'm in danger. Oh my god, I thought you said shit. Oh my god, I'm in danger, I'm in danger. Yours. Oh my god, Nor. Yours. Oh my god, I can get a lot of loot in the. Oh my god, it's a village. Hey, what's that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I need to get out. Yours. Ouch, ouch. I'm going to create them. Nah, ain't doing this. Uh-uh. I'm finding my own freaking thing. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my stupid god. No, please. Don't dare. Don't tell me. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. It's my first day and I already. Ugh. I have created a new game because I don't want to talk about it. Oh, I lost all my stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, and let me say, this isn't the real thing. Oh my gosh. Finally, I'm going to stink. No, it's fine. Oh, I should actually make a crafting table. Wait. Blah, blah, blah. Put a little effort till I can subscribe to help me because so many stuff. This is so stinking hard to say. 'Cause I have to make it again. Oh, thank God. First, I have to create my own. This. Oh, it's not. This wood. There are a lot of woods in me, so I can mine it all. There we go. And it's done. Oh my gosh. Oh, I lost so much. Now let's get some stove for this. That's why. Let's take. Oh, I forgot to do this. Oh my gosh. There we go. I need some. Good luck when there are. Because, yes, I have played Minecraft before. And I didn't actually do it in survival. I always do it with creative mode because I don't know because it's really boring that go creative mode because beca- because um there are a lot of collections now. It's helpful. Oh my god. Oh my god, there are a lot of gold in here. Okay. If I found a diamond right now, I'm gonna freaking thank you. I have literally like so many chords. Wow. Wait, okay, I'm done with English. Pwede ako gumawa ng, pwede ako magluto ng pagkain ko dito sa Minecraft. Natutak ko mo. Englishera ako guys, pero minsan I have enough of English kasi it's hard to eke. I'm Filipino. Kasi nga Pilipino ako, kaya sinay na ako mag-Filipino, pero Englishera pa rin ako. Englishera ako, pero Pilipino pa rin ang lahi ko. Half Iglesia, half Katoliko. Or, basta. I have plenty of cool. Kasi nga, ano si Ambu? Nag-subscribe ako dun. Tapos nakita ko sila, ang dami nila. Lagi. Pag pro kasi sila. Ako, no pa lang. Kasi nga, no. Alam yun. Dito pa. Kasi na yung crafting table ko. Or din makraft the rates. Pochi, sorry. Sorry na. I can make a furnace. Well, furnace is a good thing. Because, ang dali pala gumawa na ito. All I need is kailangan ko ng extra wood para need a wooden pickaxe. Sige, punta ka sa amin diba? Dati, kung gusto kong sa kasi nga, creative mode malamang. Dati, akala ko, yung Roblox na Bojang, hindi ko pa yung nalalaro eh. Hindi ko pa yung nalalaro kasi nga, broke ako. Kaya ako nagkagawa ng videos para... Oh! Baga. Wait, I don't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Expensive. I don't really have it. Yan na, pochi na yan, tagal. Okay, let's make this. Hindi ko sayang yung cool. Hindi ko sayang yung Mag-isa lang ako guys sa'yo. Isang bata na naglalakad pa sa dapa siya. Yun lang. Joke lang. Alam niyo ba? First time pa lang talaga maglaro ng survival. Hindi yung ayoko talaga sa survival. Doon na mama. Kaya, ganito na lang ako, guys. Ayoko na. Bala kayo dyan. O nga pala, ako pala si Steve. Wait lang. Ano, si Steve. Ito, ako yan. Wala kasi akong Steve. Wala kasi akong Steve, guys. Wait a minute. Wala kasi akong utak. Kasi nga, wala pang utak. Medyo ko lang. Meron naman ang utak. Pero ayokong gamitin kasi nga. Hindi ko na alam. Wala ako sa buhay. Dati nga kasi, bata ako, Madami nagkakagusto sa joke lang. Walang gusto dyan. Bata pa ako eh. Bata-bata lang. Bata-bata lang. Bata-bata lang. Bata-bata lang. Bata-bata lang. Bata-bata lang. Ay, sakto yun. Dapat ginamit ko. Ayan. Gamitin muna na. Gamitin muna. Konti pa lang kasi yung ano. Pag night na, gagamitin ko na yung siyempre guys, mag-init muna ako ng ano muna bago ako. Okay guys. Wait lang, asan pinik? Oh, yan. I don't wanna kill you, so go away. Wait, kailangan ko pala ng sword. Kailangan ko pala ng sword. Takting na yan. Kailangan ko ng sword, kaya gagamitin ko yung stone ko. Gagamitin ko yung stone ko para dito. Kasi nga, kayo dito ko lang. Siyempre, pickaxe. Then, this. Yan. Kasi nga, dapat itong gabi na naman, gabi na naman, guys, gabi na naman. Alala nyo kaganina? Namatay ako dahil skeleton, fucking skeleton na lagi ako. Ngayon guys, nagwam sa sarili ko. Lala ako. Hey, I need to see the story. Sorry. Where's your data? I wanna eat it. Pig. Oy, pig. Hey, come here. Come here, piggy. Let me kill you. My god, there's a lot of wood here. Hi. Oh, jeez, skeleton. Sige. I need to run out. Ouch. Kill it. Oh my god. No. My god, did it. Nagawa ako pumatay ng skeleton. First time ko pinatay yung skeleton na yun. I can make you. Healer ako? Ha? Perfect. Oh. I have no help. Need to run. Oh! My god, there are plenty of monsters here. I have to go. Please. God help me. Don't take my life right now. I'm too young. Too young to die. Guys. Dapat kasi kanina pa eh. Pucha! Maga! Sala! Mamamatay ako. No! Mamamatay na ako. Ba't ako nakagalit? No! No! Lord, bakit? Bakit, Lord? Buti talaga ang lapit ko dito. Saan yung gamit ko? Saan kang skeleton ka? It's alright. Yeah. Where the heck is he? Where did they go, huh? Do you think they can kill me just like that? No. I'm gonna kill them with my own 2 swords. No, I can get this. Well, Sabi ko sa sarili ko, mag-ano muna ako. Pero, wala pang go. Okay? Okay? Wala pa. Oh my God. Hi, sir. Merong iba pa ba? Sige. Ay, takting na yan. Lika dito. Layo nyo naman! Hindi, no. I'm gonna die for you too. Ang pinakamahirap ko sa buhay ko itong skeletons na to. Lang ko muna ng sword ko. Let's go. Let's go na. Survival. Aray. Oy, zombies! Zoom, zoom! Zoom! Bumalik ka dito. Ako yung... Ow! Tumagyan. Matay siya. 49 but... Nah. Ready. Takting na yung helmet lang. Kala ko buong ano na. Inis ko na mag-zombie. Kalat. Bakit? Yun. Hey. Oh my God, ka mo. Oh my God. I need to make a boat. I need to make a freaking boat. Oh my God, I need to hurry. Hurry up! Hurry up, you stinking stupid. Need to make a boat. Okay, guys, start now. I'm gonna start myself. Ano ba mag-make na boat? Ano mag-make na boat? Where's my boat? Boat. Kailangan ko ng boat. Boat kasi. Hindi boat. Boat. Ayun. Oak boat. Shovel. Takting na yan. Well, this is my only last hope. I will survive. Motivisifa. I put... Let's fight underwater, ha? Wanna fight underwater? Let's do this, you stupid. Villager siya. Villager siya. Malapit na ako sa ano. Ganon. Gusto mong matay. Ay! Yan. I need his, ano. Bow. How do I make a bow? Wala. Ouch. Ouch. Bakit? Hindi mo ba nakasakot? Cheats. Ay, maganda mamatay ako. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. Paano ba? Guys, purple. There we go. It's turning day. Mag-uumaga na. Sa wakas, mag-uumaga na. Pochi, ganun. Bata ka. Ka dito. Wait nga lang. Kamukha ko to Hoy guys, hindi sa real life. Huwag kayo OA. Ay, wala palang cheat dito. Tinor off ko na yung cheats ha. Nakita nyo pa sa mukha nyo. Baka putusin ko na kayo sa real life. Gusto nyo. Tinurn off ko na yung cheats. Hoy. Ba't kayo mga zombies? Kamukha nyo yung cheats. Kaya ako pagla kumain sa Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko gumawa ng ano. Ayan. Sige. Ito. Sige. Ayun, alam ko na kung paano gumawa ng boat. I need 8 of them. Because why not? Tapos, kailangan ko dito, tsaka dito. Oh my god, my first. Oh my god. Ba tayo? Oh my god. Did I make it? Oh my god. How do I make an arrow? Arrow. Ba't ganun? Simpleng arrow lang. Yung simpleng arrow lang kasi. How do I make an arrow? Paano? Is it like... What did I make? How do I make this? What the heck did I make it? How... No, I still have to kill skeletons. Of course. Oh my god. Okay. I just need 8 of them. I don't need a lot of them. 99 plus, takting na yan. Ano yung pwede kong anuhin? Sige, let's ikot-ikot. I need way tool now. Sticks, light. Light, and... Yun lang yung kaya ko. Sige. I already have enough. Yun, kaya ko na guys. Kaya ko na gumawa na. We just have to kilala mo si dun yun kay ano search nyo Kipli. Search nyo guys. Kasi nga ang galing talaga niya. As in magaling siya. Ang galing niya guys. Kasi ang galing niya talaga. I am her biggest fan. Nah. Oh my god, the kill. Let's kill a kill guys because I don't know. Ikaw. I have now food. Still have to find a lot of food. Kailangan ko pa humanap ng pagkain. Kasi nga, I'm a tiger. Oh! Thank you. Meron little pigi-pigi. You hiding from me, ha? Ba't ka tumatago, ha? Bakit? Ba't tumatago? Hello? Ha? Ano yung pagka? Oo. Ba't ang dami kong pagkain? Kasi nga, nagugutom ako. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Ba't ka nagtatago, ha? Ba't ka nagtatago, ha? Wait, do they have actions right now? Action. May nakitang mountain to. Doon ako mag-live kasi nga madaming. Ooh. Oh. Wait, I have a bone. Wait, I have a bone. I do have a bone. A big. A bone. Ah! Come on, come on, come on, let's go here. Come on, hey, hey, come on. Come here. Do I have enough? One. Okay. Nakita kasi akong cow dun. Let's go to the top of the mountain. Si Ois is going to teleport. Oh! Ano? Do you want? Ano? Bakit? Ano ba, bakit ba? Nagugutom ka ba? Ah. Joke lang. Then plus 21. 90. Ooh, good part. Na nga. Ito tayo sa ano? Dito ka, dito. Come here, doggy. Come here. Ay. Saan ka pupunta? Uy, ka dito. Ito ka kasi. Teka. Come here. Okay, come here. Sit. Okay, stay there. Where's my sword? Come on. What's that? The frick was that? What the heck was that? Ano yun? Did they make some ghosty here? Or it's just me because I'm getting spooky. Oh my god. Ano yun? Doggy, come here. Doggy. 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 Hi, doggy. Uy, doggy. Tinitingnan mo. Gusto mo? Teka. Especially I'm going to eat it myself. Why tinitingnan ni Doggy? Ito. Come here. Come on, let's do this. Do it myself, Doggy, okay? First time ko lang talaga gumawa ng ganito. Alam nyo ba? Dati pa. Gumawa din ako dito eh. Pero isang problem ay hindi ako makapag-ganito. Hindi katulad ng mga ganito. Doggy? Okay, ito yun. Beat him! Wait, why? Let's kill him. Doggy. Yeah. Oh! Things getting dark. Oh my god. Wait, I can go. Let's go. Let's go, doggy. Can make my house heavy. Come on, doggy. Doggy? Walaga. Ika. Let's make a lot of wood. First thing first, I'ma say in the book. Hey, I'm the one that you see in the master of the sea. I am a psycho. Dun, 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 dun. Yan. Go stand for a bit. Okay. I have more. Pang glass. Oh, what the heck is that sound? don't have enough wool. Yes? Thanks, Doggy. There we go. And we're done. See, I made a house. This is the first one. And this took me hours. So let's do this. I am currently sick and I died and I went to it again. But if I'm from Google, so I needed to make what's your name? Let's see, Doggy. Let's see, Doggy. Looking at the perfume, something like that. I have now used my own, but still, I still have these. I have to waste them. Well, let's make some choice first. Let's go for this one. Wait, it's still wait, let's make my. There we go. Let's do this. I think we need more. I need this over there, okay? Yes. Oh, is this four? Oh my god, what have they said? I have a lot of food in my house, I don't get. This is a basic house. This is my room. This is my room. Douglas room. This is all my supplies. Things that are supplies. I still have one. Wow, I'm gonna use it. Let's use it. Wait, how do I make that chest again? I already forgot it. Oh yeah, this. There we go. And more bigger room. More excellent room. I'll put all my chests. Okay, I already have a car. This one's my supply room. And this one is my room. I think that it's how to need this. Seriously. There you go. Yeah. Let's start with it. My thing here. And obviously I still have let me yes. Guys, so goodbye and love you. Mwah.